everybody, my name is Dominique. I am a senior at Summit, and I want to tell you guys about 2 ways you can visit us this spring. The first way you can visit us is on March 9th. We are having our Summit Days open house. Here you can tour the campus, you can sit in on classes with current students, and you can have fellowship with staff and faculty. You could even get a coffee if you wanted to. Before I was a student at Summit, I was not sure if I wanted to come. I was going left and right, should I come, should I not? And then I saw online that they were having a Summit Day, so I was like, hey, why not check it out? So when I came, I just had total peace that this is where I was supposed to be. And I'm not sure about you guys. If you're unsure, if you just want to check it out, just come. It will be great, I promise you. If you guys can't make it on March 9th, that's totally fine because we have a whole nother option for you guys. On May 18th through the 22nd, we are having our Week at Summit event. At this event, you can live in the dorm, attend chapels, attend classes. You're basically living the life of a Summit student. Now, this isn't just for prospective Summit students. If you just always wanted to see what Summit was like, we encourage you to come to this event as well. It's going to be so much fun and so awesome and such a great opportunity. Well, that's all I have for you folks. I hope to see you at one of those 2 events, and thanks for keeping up with the hip and the happening.